Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the slip stick. Now, this slip stick is great for boxing, it's great for knife work, it's great for everything. Well, everything. Cut. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the slip stick. I've talked about this before. What you do is you mount a piece of PVC to a pad, you attach it to your heavy bag. You can purchase them online, you can make one yourself. I use a piece of cut, take 3. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the slip stick. Great tool for boxing, great tool for knife work. You can use it for a number of great martial arts activities. What am I doing? Take 5. Now, what do you do with it? Well, what you can do is you use it to practice your slips. You can use it to practice your cuffing maneuvers, whatever you like. But often what I'll do is I'll wind it up a little bit and then I'll practice my slips. And then practice my cuffing. So I want to be quick at those cuffs. I can also use it to practice my knife work. So as the blade comes around, I practice cutting that arm and then practice cutting. Cut, stab, stab, stab. Now, get yourself a wooden knife. If you don't buy one, you can make one. All you have to do is lay a knife on a piece of wooden stock, and I didn't even round off the edges on this one. This one's just a straight cut piece of wood. But you have to practice full power. You don't understand. When you go to stab, and then you end up stabbing with full power, then you have to appreciate the likelihood that the knife will slide up and then cut you. So practice in all your grips with both hands, and then practice your defensive cuts against outstretched arms or against stabbing hands, so that you can stab and cut with both hands with real power. Imagine if all you did to get ready to, let's say, build your tool shed was use a toy hammer and then you hammered at the air. And then the day came to build the shed and you had to swing a framing hammer all day. All right? Then you would not be well prepared. So in the same way, you need to use as close as possible to an actual tool, and you need to actually strike with real power on real objects. Get yourself a slip stick or make yourself a slip stick. Thanks for watching. Take care.